Guys, as we all know, the holidays are right around the corner, and all I want for this Christmas is to enjoy all the good food that I want to enjoy without feeling guilty about it. Which is why in this video, I will be embarking on a journey where I try out Lilly Sabri's newest muffin top workout for 14 days straight, every single day, on top of the Pamela Reif workout that I've been following religiously. I'll be sharing my first impression of Lily's video, Pamela's new video, the comparison between the two, how I felt after the workout, and also my result. In this video, there's gonna be a lot of sweat and sporadically some good food. Enjoy.
So welcome to day one. I did some measurement before I started my challenge, and here are the stat of my body just to give you guys a good sense of this. So when I first started Lily's video, it didn't strike me as challenging.
I love how she's like taking breaks, because Pamela doesn't have breaks.
But 2 minutes in, I realized I was wrong.
I understand why she has breaks. This is harder than it seems.
In terms of strength level, I do have some muscle buildup because I used to dance, but I never really worked out at home until quarantine started, and I never did it consistently until like 2 months before. So I would definitely still consider myself a beginner.
First impression? I like it. It is hard, but it's not impossible hard. What was it? Like the twisted sit-up thing? That was really hard. I was like banging my back on the floor. That was not pretty. And I like that she's like talking you through it and then giving you instruction during the break so that you are prepared for the 50-second hit. Overall, a pretty good workout. I feel like I would enjoy doing it for 2 weeks straight.
Since I've been working from home, I'm so used to just crawl to my laptop and like started working with no makeup and my pajama on, and it's just not a good feeling. I don't feel professional or put together, and it really hinders my productivity. So today I decided to wake up early and try to establish a morning routine, with workout being the first thing.
Come on, guys. I'm so bad at this. You got it.
The workout is still a little bit challenging for me, but I'm starting to get the hang of it and enjoying the process.
Day 2 complete. I didn't even sweat that much.
After I showered, I made myself some lovely pancake and just really started my morning with a bang. I definitely feel like working out and waking up early are some great seed habits that we can have to set ourselves up for success every single day.
I'm already so fatigued waking up. It's crazy. Let's do this.
On day 3, the heating in our building broke, so it was really hard for me to get out of bed because it was so cold and I was very sore and tired. However, I got myself up and did the workout before work anyway because I know otherwise I would never do it, and it keeps me warm. As you can see, I am very excited for the Thanksgiving dinner, but I'm more excited to work out first thing in the morning, and I'm starting to have this new routine established. The heat in my apartment is back on, so my room was really warm, so I had a very sweaty workout session. Like, very sweaty.
Ruby's like, yeah, God. I might as well be crying because, you know, nobody can distinguish my tear from my sweat at this point. And I didn't even use the 5 kilogram weight. I used like 2 IPA cans and I was sweating like this. So go try that out. It gets even more emotional.
Over the weekend, I was staying with my friend Anna. We were just eating a lot of good food, and it was just a blast.
It burns!
But one thing I do find challenging is finding the time and the new routine for me to do workout every day. But I think some of the tip and trick that help me when I'm not at home to consistently work out is just to plan ahead, making sure that you have everything you need at the place that you'll be staying at, and budget your time.
Thank you, Anna.
I also want to mention Matt Diavella's 2-day rule that worked really well for me. It just means that you can't skip 2 days in a row. I, for one, as someone worked really well with streak, so whenever I skip a day, I would beat myself up for it and throw the entire habit away. But this weekend, even though I skipped a day, I told myself that's okay and made sure to carve out some time the next day to do the workout. And that's really helpful when it comes to building a habit. Here I'm back to my daily 45-minute workout with Pamela, and my arm is just not dealing with it well. But by this point, Lily's workout is really easy for me now. It's very manageable and it's almost like a cool down after Pamela's workout. After I got back home, I established a new routine that worked better for me, which is working out right after work. Also, I can have an empty stomach when I work out, which I prefer. Finding a routine that fits you is the most important because there's no hard and fast rule when it comes to when you need to work out. What type of workout is the best? Everyone has different goals and everyone has a different body. So my takeaway here is to just find a routine that serves your happiness first. Find the time of day that fits your schedule better. Sustainability goes a long way. I had a Zoom workout session with Cynthia, who also was the person who introduced me to Pamela, and for that I am forever grateful. I also introduced Lily's workout and we did it together.
Hi guys!
What do you think is the hardest?
I think definitely the side plank. With the elbow and then you twist yourself, you know?
Yeah, that one's like one of them. Sometimes it's important to just realize that every day is different, your energy level is different, your mood is different. To work out consistently is to embrace that. See workout as not a chore, but something that can help you get yourself out of the mental funk that you're in. And I find that mindset really helpful. Happy Sweat is the first ever Pamela video that I did and the reason why I fell in love with her. But those burpee attacks and the mountain climber and the plank jack still kills me to this very day. Even though Pamela's abs and booty workouts are absolute killers, her upper body workouts are actually relatively manageable. They keep me on my toe, they're challenging but not too challenging, and I just have the most fun with them.
You're the man. Everyone's saying you're the man, so.
Finally, here we are at the last day. Even though I absolutely enjoyed working out with Lily and working out to this very video, it is a little too much to work out to the same video every single day. Sometimes we just need to change things up a little bit, you know? So I was definitely looking forward to not be doing this for a while.
I finished it. That was a wrap.
And here are the results. Honestly, I'm kind of surprised because I did not restrict my diet, I was eating a lot, and yet my stomach is still more toned. So thank you, Lily, and thank you, Pamela.
I'm honestly very happy with my results. I feel like that's the most realistic scenario. Most of us don't get the I lost 20 pounds in 2 weeks result, and that's fine. It doesn't even really matter how you look or if you have a smaller waist. I think the most important thing is how you feel, your energy level throughout the day. Do you really feel like after working out day by day or doing these challenges, you're getting stronger, you're feeling better about yourself, and you're feeling healthier? That's what matters the most. And hope y'all are having a great holiday season. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you soon.